Welcome back to Auto Insider, your go-to source for the latest in automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q3, a compact luxury SUV that blends performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this car stand out in a crowded segment. The 2025 Audi Q3 carries forward Audi's signature design language, with a few modern tweaks. The bold, single-frame grille up front is flanked by sleek, matrix LED headlights, giving the Q3 a striking presence on the road. The sculpted lines along the sides and the sharp contours add to its athletic stance, while the rear features LED taillights with dynamic indicators, emphasizing Audi's commitment to design excellence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a refined interior that combines luxury with functionality. The Q3's cabin is a masterclass in design, with premium materials and a minimalist layout. The 10.1-inch touchscreen is the centerpiece of the dash, powered by Audi's MMI infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. You'll also find the virtual cockpit, fully digital 12.3-inch display behind the steering wheel, offering customizable views and a seamless driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Q3 offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, Q3 offers a dynamic driving experience with responsive handling and solid grip, whether you're navigating city streets or winding mountain roads. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts and efficient performance, with a 0 to 60 time of just under 6.5 seconds. Audi has equipped the 2025 Q3 with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. Additionally, the Q3 offers optional features like a 360-degree camera and park assist, making it easier than ever to maneuver in tight spaces. The 2025 Audi Q3 is more than just a compact SUV. The statement of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for a versatile family vehicle or a stylish ride for your daily commute, Q3 ticks all the boxes. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Auto Insider.